You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly from Japanese. This is also a word in Japanese. If you want to learn more useful Japanese pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos you can listen to. Fate in Japanese is the meaning. Reiko is the Japanese pronunciation. Reiko, Reiko in English, therefore it's usually pronounced simply as Reiko, not Reiko, Reiko. How to pronounce Reiko. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.